As a landlord, if you issued 6 months notice to quit, after that you issued 7 days owner's intention to recover possession. At the expiry of the 7 days owner's intention to recover possession, your tenant meets you and says, "See you, I will leave your property, but I want to stay a little long," right? And he said, "I'm even willing to sign an undertaking for that effect." Now, people are asking, what kind of document should they give him? Should the lawyer prepare the document, give the tenant to sign and all that? And what if after the undertaking, the tenant fails to leave the property? What should the landlord do? I've gotten this question so many times, so I want to address it now. Now, the truth of the matter is this: even if you give your tenant extra 6 months and your tenant sign on undertaking to that effect, you cannot still evict that tenant unlawfully. You cannot still evict that tenant without due process of law. And the fact that your tenant wrote an undertaking will not make the case faster in court. So for me, my proposal is always take that matter to court. Get a lawyer, brief a lawyer, pay your lawyer well, right? Take that matter to court. Then, since the tenant wants to settle, both of you can enter what we call terms of settlement in court. Okay, you want 6 months, I'll give you the 6 months, but let's sign it and let's have this agreement in court. Why is that? Because it's only the terms of settlement signed by both parties and adopted by the court. That is the only thing that will be valid, and that is the only thing you can now act on. Right? You find the proper processes, you can act on that terms of settlement, then you get the sheriff of the court, come storm that property and throw his things out. But if he's in undertaking, even if he knows in the undertaking that if I fail to live there, you can bring talks. That his right is a legal right. He cannot waive it by just signing mere papers. You will still need to follow due process. So for me, in terms of settlement adopted in court is better than just a handwritten undertaking. Share with me your thoughts on this matter. Share this video to your friends so that they can learn from it. Don't forget to give me a follow. Thank you.